Good morning, guys. It's Friday, 18th of June, 2021. End of the week. It's been a pretty big week, hasn't it, with FOMC on Wednesday, and we've seen some decent moves in the market involving, I should say, US dollar and Japanese yen as well, if you've been watching the charts. Yeah, yesterday there was some money to be made. But, you know, I'm being honest with you guys now. I'm very, very wary. This is the dollar index, as you can see on the daily time frame. Yeah, this was FOMC day, big bullish candle, and I honestly thought that we might have seen a little bit of correction back into the moving averages when we came into this level here, or at least this level here. But no, that demand for the dollar is still there. But now I'm even more wary of getting into a dollar buy trade, if you like. It's just, you've got to think of the market as it kind of breathes in, breathes out, breathes in, breathes out. Okay, so at the moment, if you think of this as breathing out, okay, at some point it's going to have to breathe in. If you look at this price action here, we've had a big move, and then eventually it has to breathe in. Okay, breathes out, breathes in, breathes out. We're expecting it to breathe in, maybe come back into 91, big number. So I'm personally a bit wary about buying the US dollar at this point in time. Okay, doesn't mean that I don't think it could be bullish still, but with the natural rhythm, if you like, of the market, you would expect it to drop, have a correction before any further upside. Okay, does that mean that it can't continue to be bullish today, to Monday, Tuesday next week? Absolutely not. Okay, but you would expect a correction to take place before any further upside. So just be a little bit careful if you trade in dollar strength. And look, big number as well. Look, guys, 92, lining up very, very nicely there. So same thing with the Japanese yen. We saw Japanese, what did we see yesterday actually? Swiss franc was one of the weakest currencies. Aussie dollar was one of the weakest currencies. Yen was a strong currency. So Swiss franc was one of the weakest, or probably was the weakest. Yen was the strongest. So would have seen Swiss yen just drop, and I think we did, just like a stone. Okay, this was yesterday's candle. But again, you know, the natural rhythm cycles of a market, this could absolutely, you know, if the demand for the Japanese yen or the lack of demand for the Swiss franc continues, and yeah, absolutely it could drop, but you would normally expect a correction before that happens. Okay, look at the way the market moves. Even here, look, we have that drop, and then we have that correction, and then we see the next drop. That's what I'm looking for here. This has been a big move, so I'm expecting a correction to take place. And you can see I've got my alert here on Swiss yen, right about 121.47. I mean, I don't know whether it will come back there, but that'd be absolutely ideal, because this was previous support here, resistance. So actually coming back into this level, correcting, and then a drop. Now I see this potentially coming back into this zone here, around about 118. That's what I see potentially if this was to drop further. But I'm looking to sell this after a correction. Not really looking to get involved now when the move is so extended. So just be a bit wary today, guys. We've got some big moves on yen pairs, big moves on dollar pairs, but the longer those moves go on, the more likely we are to see a correction. So I'm just going to leave you with that today. Now, whether you're a counter trend trader and you'll be trading the opposite moves, that's down to you in your style of trading. If you're not and you're looking to trend with the trade, well, you're probably going to be sitting out of the market now, if you're not in any trades already. But if you are, you know, you want to be a trend trader, then just be a little bit wary and be expecting that correction. It's Friday, we'll see if it happens. You know what the market's like, guys. Literally, the market can do what it wants at times, but you've just got to think logically, think realistically. A lot of retail traders fail in the fact that they get into a move far too late, okay, and then they expect the move to carry on. They get stopped out, they lose their money, okay. Just have a little think. Do you want to get involved now, or do you want to wait for a correction and then see if you get another chance and potentially a better price, a better entry to get into the market? So guys, as always, it's been a pleasure talking to you all week. Have a great weekend, and I will catch you on the other side. Bye for now.